Now, can see here that the market was consolidating. It had a breakout at this point, so we had this highs. And right now, the market has come to retest this point. Okay, so the day has ended. Okay, so here we are observing and looking for an opportunity to sell or buy, yeah? Okay, so price has interacted with this level. So it has interacted with this level like the first time, the second time, the third time, and right now you can see it is reacting there the fourth time. So this here would give us an opportunity to buy to this level here. So an opportunity to buy to this level here. So we can capitalize on this move by taking a buy trade. So we can take a buy trade right here and exit at this point. So I have anticipated for a move from this point to this point. So let us take an order. So open position. So we need to take a buy and it's a market price. So I'll not be putting stop loss. So let me risk $1,000 and take a buy trade. Okay, so we need to, it's necessary to use a stop loss. So let me put a stop loss at around 28.60 and take profit around 29.60. Okay, so let me press this trade there. So the TP should be at this point. So there is my exit point and my stop loss is just below this level here. Okay, so that is the trade that I've put or placed. So let us see how the market is moving. So right now we are at negative. We are now at positive. We are now at negative again. So price has opened a new day. Now we are in profit now. So the target here gives us $700. So this trade is not a good trade in terms of a risk reward ratio. So the risk is too high, the reward is low. Okay, so we are near our TP. We're near our TP right now. Okay, and we have hit our take profit. So we have hit our take profit and we have made $791.38. Okay, so at this point right now, uh, at this point, we are at a level where price might sell, eh? So let me observe a few candles to confirm. Okay, so let us take a sell trade right here. So right now we're taking a sell. It's market position. So let me put my SL at 29.60 and my take profit at 28.40. So we are risking $1,000 again, so 2% of the account. Okay, so here is the entry. The stop loss $1,000. We are looking to make around 2.9. Okay, so this TP is somehow far. So let our target be this low here. So we are looking to make around $2,000 on this trade. So let us observe how the market is moving. So immediately we are in profit. Okay, so that's a very nice candle. Okay, so the day did close at this point. So once price has reached this level, you have made this number of pips. It is wise for you to break even, to move your stop loss just below the entry, so that if the market comes at this point and takes you out, then you are still in profit. So let's continue observing this chart. Will it go towards a profit, or will it hit our break even? So we are in consolidation. So the day did end in that consolidation. So we are holding this trade to the third day. You can see price is moving towards our break even, so towards our market entry. Okay, so you can clearly see that price has come to our break-even point, and we made $115. So so far we have made around 900 plus USD on this. So let us continue observing this market. So price is around that area again, but it has touched it several times. So this is now weak. This is now weak. I'm not expecting for price to reverse there. Okay, and then increase the speed. Okay, price remains on this area. Oh, it has broken it. Okay, it has broken this area again. So we are still consolidating on this point. So we are still in consolidation here. And this moment, we can draw up a new high. Draw up a new high here. And let us continue observing on that. So if it returns to this new high and gives me a confirmation to sell, I'll take a sell trade. Okay, so right now, okay, now I can take a trade. So open a position. So we are selling at market price. Our stop loss should be around 29.70. I'll take profit. Let's put it around 28.50. So the consolidation is it's a big consolidation. So we are risking the same amount, 1,000. So let's place that order. So the stop loss. Yeah, the stop loss is far enough. So we have risked $1,000 and we are looking to take 3,497. So that is our target. Okay, so the market is so the market has fallen. It has fallen a little quick here. Okay, so we can break even right now. So we can break even because price has moved so much away from our entry, so we can break even at that point to protect our profit. So the market is still falling. So we had a big consolidation here. That's why I'm expecting for the market to fall big. Okay, so we took our trades on this day. So this is the first day, the second day, and we are on the third day right now. The market is still falling. Our profit is 2,000, so we are around 3,000 right now. So we are nearly our take profit. Okay, so price has taken our TP. Okay, so we are up $4,403, So out of three trades. So that is how uh, we anticipate and take orders on the on this Forex market. And depending on your capital, you can bet big or you can bet small. So depending on your capital, you can put a big order or a small order. So it is important also to have a significant capital to trade this market in order to make significant profit. Although it is possible for you to grow an account, but if there is a way for you to find good capital, it is best for you to find good capital in order to invest in this Forex market, so that you can take a bit bigger trades.